So, hello guys. In today's video, I will walk you through my break-even trade. Why did I take it and why it got break-even? So, firstly, I was pretty bullish because we had all of these equal highs, and we had these highs too here. I don't know why it is here. Okay, and I was bullish, but at market open, I wanted to see some sort of retracement to this 1 hour gap, and I wanted to see some sort of longs from this area. Market just opened, and we end up selling off a little bit. We have this 50-minute gap, and we did get a 2-minute inversion off of here, right here, the gap, and we did inverse it perfectly, and it end up hitting this high. I did not take this trade because I wanted to see some sort of bigger retracement. It was a good trade, yeah, but we were in very high premium, and I wanted to see the deeper retracement. Okay, after that, we had another 3-minute inversion right here after a sweep. I did not take this neither because, as I said, I wanted to see some deeper retracement. I did good that I did not take that because it was a lose. It would have lost. So I faded this and the other one too, and waited. I was so patient. This price action was the worst I've seen in weeks. Was this like okay? And after I waited for 10 a.m. I was like, okay, 10 a.m. for sure will go down here. We started to go lower and then straight up chop. After that, we came up, we swept these highs and came down to the new 4 hour, which we have created after before the 4 hour open. Yeah. We end up coming back to this 4 hour, and I was like, okay, this might be the manipulation leg. It would have been better if we come to this 1 hour, but it is what it is. But we did get a nice reaction out of this 4 hour, and I was like, okay, if we inverse this 5 minutes, I might get in because we manipulated lower and we have made just the distribution higher because we had this accumulation here. And I was going to get in. Let me just adjust it here. Wow. Okay, I was ready to get in on this candle, but it did not inverse. It sucks because the next candle inverse is like closes like here. It's pretty high, right? But I still take it. Put my stops right here on the body close, and I wanted to see this high get hit for 1.45 R, yeah. And I was pretty confident that we will hit our break-even point because it was pretty close, and ES did not take it at the time. We did end up coming back to this 5 minute and then going straight to my break-even. I was like, okay, we just have to rip through it because we have a lot of liquidity. But we just started to chop. I did put my break-even when we swept this high. It was a pretty early break-even from me but as you can see, it was worth it because this is just mental. ES did sweep this high before NQ, but we had SMT here, but I could not put my stops to break even because I was still in drawdown, so I had to wait. I was so sure that we will hit this high, and we did hit it, but I did wait like on 20 minutes for my break even, and it got stopped out like instantly, so crazy. But this was my only trade today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Tell me in the comments if you took anything, or did you win, or anything else. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.